Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Sean took the 4-hour trip from Maryland to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on his 2024 CVO Road Glide ST. Sean just got the bike. The bike is brand new. He wanted to get his audio done, didn't want to wait. So everybody knows that the ST does not come with lid speakers. They wanted to save weight on the bike. The bike's very performance oriented. So the regular CVO has 4 speakers from factory. The CVO ST only has fairing speakers. He wanted to do a stage 3 high power. The other issue is Harley is currently back ordered on the lids and the grills. So some of the lids are available in some colors. The grills are definitely on back order. Sean didn't want to wait, so he ordered the complete speaker package from Harley, which comes with the speakers, the lids, and the grills, even though he wasn't going to use the speakers. So that was the only way that they had it in stock, was a complete package. So he spent the extra money on speakers that he's not going to use. So he was able to get the bike done right away because he was able to get his hands on the parts right away. So if you guys really, really want your audio done and you don't want to wait, that's an option. If you're willing to spend the extra money, you can get the complete stage 1 or stage 2 speaker package, which includes the lid, the grill, and the speakers. That's what Sean opted to do, so we were able to get them done right away. He opted for a stage 3 high power, so on this one we did Cicada CH in the fairing, we did Hertz 690 Neos in the lids, and we did Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. We did an ARC Audio PSM Pro with the custom NVS audio wiring harness for the 2024s. Makes it completely plug and play, no cutting or splicing of any wires. So it's the PSM Pro, our wire harness, Sound Digital evox 2 800.4, and the Sound Digital evox 2 1600.1. To install 2 amplifiers in the fairing, when you do our single amplifier kit, there's no cutting. Doing a stage 3 high power, we had to cut the factory radio bracket and grind the headlight completely flat to get both amplifiers to fit. They fit beautifully in the fairing. I'll show you later on in the video. And then we did the 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, Dubie's custom bass knob in the front with the clip indicator so you can control the output of the bass and see when he's pushing the amplifier too hard and it begins to clip. It's all in front of him. We upgraded the battery to a lithium. All these new 2024 Harley-Davidson comes with weak batteries. These Harleys come with the same exact battery they came in the older bikes. The issue is these newer bikes have a lot more electronics and the same old batteries, so you get very little playtime. With the bike not running, you get 10-15 minutes of playtime, and then these bikes are so smart that as the battery starts to drop down, it actually starts to decrease the volume, and if you keep playing the audio, it will eventually get to the point where you have no audio at all until you start the bike. So it's nice because it won't let you leave you stuck. It'll actually cut the amplifier completely off and give her 0 output, and the bike will still crank and start. That's pretty cool. By upgrading these batteries to a lithium, you get to play the bike for over an hour without having to start the bike. And as Sean noticed today when he picked up the bike has never cranked as fast and as strong as it did today after we added lithium. So even if you're not doing an audio upgrade, I definitely recommend upgrading the batteries in these newer Harleys because it'll make the bike crank faster. I had a few no start issues on my CVO, new body style CVO 2023.5. First thing I did was upgrade the battery to a lithium. This is before I did any audio upgrade on my bike, and all my problems went away. The bike you start every time, the bike cranks up a lot faster, the audio plays a lot longer. So the lithium upgrade's literally the first thing I did to my 23.5 CVO, and I recommend it to anybody that has a 23.5 or a 2024, whether it's a CVO or a non-CVO. Upgrade that battery. The bike's gonna like it and it's gonna crank a lot better, and your music's gonna play better and louder and longer. So all Stinger oxygen free copper wiring. We did our custom NVS audio harnesses with custom quick disconnects on the saddlebag. So the bike looks completely stock and sounds amazing. Sean is very happy with the install. We're very happy with the install. Check out the build we did for him. So this is CVO. More bands on EQ, but same problem. So you see a giant boost between 50 and 200 Hertz. Everything else is relatively flat. We can deal with that on the input EQ, but this right here, we need the help from the factory EQ. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this down 2 clicks, bring this down 2 clicks. So we just lowered 80 and 250. And that gives us a much better response. As you can see, we're still hot on the bass side right here. The rest I'm gonna fix on the input EQ of the Arc Audio PSM.
I dedicate this to the school, everybody. Check it out. Hell against that a nigga wouldn't have none. But when I think about it, what would I be without my guns? How could I get away from the popos if a nigga couldn't run? If I was out, give it a daughter when I always pray for a son. Life is crazy, ain't it? Sometimes I even think the same thing. I've been waiting no freedom to ring hell, but ain't a thing changed. When I lost my brother in the struggle, get hit and lost his mother. And I'm thinking if I lose mine, who gon' raise my brother? Not to be a thug, stay in school, don't use drugs. Who will teach them right from wrong and show them boys true love? So I pray for the better days, face the bombs and the runaways. And I put my guns away and I pray for peace on Sundays. It's crazy.
Like the soldiers, they ain't coming home this year. Just like the fellas in prison, we miss you so much for real. What about the children who ran away? They ain't coming home today. But here's a message from coast to coast, 'cause when them thugs really need it the most.
That fuck for shrimp to the one that fuck for cum. If you ain't finna fuck him, then you ain't finna fuck fun. Got some hoes from the hood that live to keep it live. Office building boppers, working 9 to 5. Ball player, baby mama, bitches, but the turn down for what? 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 Another rocket shot, five and out. Another rocket shot, five and out. Another rocket shot, five and out. Another rocket. Thank y'all for coming out. God bless. Good night. Street exec salute. My nigga Young Dog. Cross country trapping, nigga. It's that motivational shit. Commission over everything. I want it for 100 summers, nigga. Fuck that, 100 winners too. Ain't no nigga stop me from getting this cash, nigga. I see you in the streets. I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s,
It's holiday
crack
season,
baby.
bitch.
Mama, she was in the streets, so guess who raised me? You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Sean took the 4-hour trip from Maryland to get the audio upgraded on his brand new, beautiful CVO ST. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
Yes, sir. I love it. Thank you, Carlos, my man.
My pleasure.